Find the values of the six trigonometric functions of theta when we are given that sine theta is negative 3/5, where theta is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so atong lantaw lang gid rin, no? There are actually two possible values. Yung naman siya nga sine, no? Sine theta is negative 3/5. And we know that ang idea na if mag-draw ka diri og kabalo ka nga ang theta daw naa diri sa fourth quadrant. So meaning somehow na diri imuhang this is your angle, somehow diri siya ana siya ni end. So nasa sa fourth quadrant bali. So ang idea na kung fourth quadrant ka imuhang x kay positive, ang imong y kay negative, right? Mo na imuhang panglantaw lang daan na. Then your hypotenuse is always positive magana imong hypotenuse, okay? So kung imuhang kwan is naka sa fourth quadrant, ang idea ana is you could draw here. Well, ang imuhang nada bali diri imuhang kwan, no? Mo ning imuhang drawing, let me change. Kaniyang imuhang triangle na pwede ma-form. Okay, always ang imong angle nimo diri na to ginabase sa x-axis. Okay? Now, ang imuhang dapat ang imong y kay negative. So in this case, we could thought of na kani siya is negative 3 because sine theta kabulo man ka di ba nga sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse na siya. So it could be thought of that this is your opposite, negative 3 or the y. So negative 3 imong y. Ang imuhang hypotenuse is the hypotenuse or the radius is actually 5. In this case, 5. Positive na siya always. Therefore, unsa man ang imuhang adjacent. So, kung imo nang i-draw og tarong, this is 5 here. Pila man idaan imong adjacent. So, we know that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So, kabalo ka nga imong c kay 5. It will just be 25 times a, which you don't know. B squared is the opposite is simply negative 3 squared. So 25, that is positive 9 minus 9 equals a squared. 25 minus 9 is 16, and therefore a will be equal to, now 16, ang a nimo kay 4. So imong kanire adjacent kay 4, and it's positive, right? Positive, ganun positive man, kay fourth quadrant man, kabulong man ka sa fourth quadrant, positive ang x, ang y negative, okay? In that case, na-complete na nimo karon ang imuhang kailangan, which is mo lang ginin tulo, x, y, and the hypotenuse, for you determine the rest of the function. So we'll have, so kabulong na kada nga sine theta is negative 3/5, at walang ikod padayon. Cosine will just be, well, common na, adjacent over hypotenuse, that must be 4/5. Okay, tangent theta must be opposite, negative 3, over adjacent, 4. So that must be what? Negative 3/4. Okay? Then we have cosecant theta, reciprocal lang ana, that's negative 5/3. Secant theta, that's 5/4. And cotangent theta, that's actually 4/3, or that's negative 4/3. Okay? And that's how simple things work. Dapat lang ang kamanggudan ni ang probable ni mga mistake diani is basin no di ka kabantay na negative ni mong 3 or kanimong 4 kay positive. So dapat careful ka with this given no nga nasa fourth quadrant. This will tell you that positive ang x, ang y kay negative. Okay? So ana lang. And remember that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Thank you.